Hi everyone, welcome back to 4DDig. World Backup Day is coming. Did you back up your data today? Here we'll show you how to create Office files backup. Copy every time you save the file. And we'll take Excel as example. Open your Excel file. Go to File, click Save As. Choose a location. Click the arrow on Tools. Select General Options. Check Always Create Backup. Click OK and save your file. Now, every time you make a change in your original file and save it, the Excel backup file will be updated to reflect your file before the last save. And the backup file will be stored in the same location as the original. Losing hours of work because of a software crash or power failure is really painful, cause you may have to do your work again. So autosave is a great feature to avoid data loss in these circumstances. Open Excel, click File, and go to Options at the bottom. Navigate to Save. Check Save AutoRecover Information, and check Keep the last auto-recovered version of iClose without saving. Then click OK. Below is where the auto-saved file stored. When you want to recover unsaved files, check here. Or you can see auto-recovered file and document recovery once you reopen the Excel file. Here is how to backup and auto-save your Office file. But what if you have accidentally deleted your file or emptied recycle bin? How to recover unsaved or deleted Excel file. Try 4DDig Data Recovery. Select a location to scan. Choose file type you need to recover. Here we scan document only. 4DDig will scan the selected location. Wait for a while. Once done, you can recover the desired file.